guys, TechZeus here, and I know I've been away for a lot of time. Apparently, I had my exams, but now they're over and I'm here to stay for good. So basically, I bought a new mouse, wireless mouse. This is the Logitech M185, and I'm gonna try it with my laptop and desktop. So basically, we have to unbox it first. So without wasting any more time, let's go for it. We'll just cut this open. This mouse costs 1045 Indian rupees, as the price mentioned on the box here. But I got it for around 800 rupees from a local store, so you know what to do. And it's very tough plastic, and we're just gonna take it out. This is the mouse, and we'll just keep that aside. Very clickable. I got this in the gray one. And what else do you get? You get this one, so we know what that is. And this is M185. You're gonna on off switch, and basically you can put your battery here, and here is a USB version of that, and we'll just take it out. Boom, the battery's in a snug fit, and that's how we gonna quick and use our mouse. And we have this USB, which is Logitech. So this is my new Bluetooth wireless mouse, and I'm gonna use it for almost everything that I do with my laptop or my desktop. So basically, I would suggest you can go and buy it from local store, because online maybe it costs much more than what I paid for. So it's a good mouse. Logitech is a good company, and I really like the feel of it. I mean, it's not cheap. It's like heavy and stuff. Like, it's perfect for me. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.